The world is digitalizing faster than ever. You can do almost anything online these days, from finding true love to buying a house, achieving international success to quickly arrange a loan. And that means plenty of possibilities for new business models, because businesses can now operate more easily, more efficiently and quicker. And before you know it, you have the world at your feet. But on the internet more than anywhere, it's important that you are certain just who you are doing business with. How can you ensure that your digital transactions are legally valid and trustworthy? Because you want a digital transaction to have the same legal force as a written one. For more than 10 years now, Avidor has been the platform for electronic identification and electronic signing. The independent knowledge partner who can provide you with a digital proof you need to know with certainty who you are dealing with online. Imagine, for example, your organization wants to do business with a new client, John. You'll now have to deal with all kinds of regulators, risks and legislation. John says he is John, but how can you prove that he is John and not Pete or Bill or Sandra? No, John, just ticking a box isn't good enough. Avidor offers over 20 internationally available identification solutions that can check John's identity, for example through a passport selfie check, your electronic bank ID or electronic government ID, giving you proof that John is indeed John and you can safely do business with him. And if at a later date you want to enter into a contract with John, with Avidor, getting him to sign the contract digitally is easy and secure. In under 2 minutes, John's both verified his identity and closed a deal. With every electronic identification verification and electronic signature, your organization gets a transaction receipt with audit trail as proof. No, not by post, digitally of course. So you're sure who you are dealing with and always have the necessary proof. You can run the electronic identification and electronic signing as a single process or separately, and integration into your own business process is incredibly easy with our single API. Over 1,000 businesses are already successfully using Avidor, from large corporations to small businesses. The benefits at a glance. So there you have it. Electronic identification and electronic signing with Avidor is safe, efficient and very easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Discover the convenience of Avidor and without any obligations. Avidor. It starts with evidence.